this part we'll see the transform and stabilization properties for video. So I'll just simply drag this video clip onto this timeline and click on don't change. And now either I'll double click on this or else I'll single click on this and click on this option so that the properties of this video will open. And here I can just simply open this transform option here and let's see all these options. I can either rotate the video clip here, or else if I have changed it and I want to reset it, I can just simply click on this option. I can flip the video in reverse, so you can see that the angle is being changed. I can also flip it top and bottom, right? I can scale the video clip to zoom in or zoom out, and even I can change the position of the video. For example, I have scaled it and I want it to move it towards right side, so I can just move it like this, or else I can move it towards left as well. Even I can do it with the top and bottom section as well. Now let's take a look at the stabilization. Let's take a scenario. You have just shoot a video handheld, so the video clip is a bit shaky and you want to stabilize it a bit, so you can just check mark on stabilization and it will start stabilizing the video, and you can even just adjust the smoothness level here. So for this video clip I'm just hitting cancel because it's already a stabilized video. So that's it for this video. Thank you.